You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. The first trading day of the week will be remembered for the appearance of false, although encouraging information that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approved BlackRock's application to create a Bitcoin ETF. In just 30 minutes, the value of the largest cryptocurrency soared by about 10%, breaking above the $30,000 mark. But it quickly became known that the application of the financial giant is still under consideration, and the cost of BTC has fallen below $28,000. It is noteworthy that the explosive growth was provoked not only by a surge in buyer activity, but also by the automatic closing of short positions, which technically are purchase transactions. Despite the fact that soon after the appearance of false information, the real state of affairs became known, profile experts continue to talk about a significant increase in the probability of approval of applications for the creation of Bitcoin ETFs. As a result, the demand for the largest, by capitalization, cryptocurrency remained stable throughout the entire trading session in the United States. But without any confirmation of these forecasts, the risk of another wave of sales in the cryptocurrency market remains elevated. This concludes the cryptocurrencies news block and draws attention to the recovery of the stock market in the United States. Key stock indexes turned green, gold, and oil slightly adjusted after a wave of growth. All this indicates a cooling of the market after the panicked decisions of investors and traders caused by military conflicts in the Middle East. A gradual decrease in the degree of tension on markets will further increase interest in risk and shift the focus to fundamental factors. Starting from the quarterly reports of the largest U.S. companies and ending with the prospect of a change in the Fed's key interest rate. If we are talking directly about today, then we should pay attention to the upcoming publication of data on retail sales in the United States. Further growth of this indicator will confirm the expediency of the monetary policy tightening by the Federal Reserve. Therefore, even a slight excess of the forecast value can support the US dollar in pairs with most currencies. The growth of retail sales may also put pressure on gold quotes, because in this case you will not have to count on a decrease in the yield of US government bonds, which remain the main competitor for the precious metal. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.